Alrighty guys, we have another unboxing video from Amazon. This is coming from Synolmedic infrared thermometer, air mode, child forehead, adult forehead, touchless mode, fast in 1 second, fever alert. This is dual mode, fast reading, 40 memories, silent mode, unit switch, 4 color backlight, auto off, 13 seconds, magnetic design, easy peasy to operate and use. So you can get a lot of cool stuff. It does come with AAA, so you get 2 AAA batteries. Of course, a manual card and a quick start guide. And of course, the travel satchel. Here is the unit. Really nice, super lightweight. And over here, that's where you install the batteries. And right here, that's how you switch it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Matter of seconds. So wherever you're at part of the world, you could check your temperature. Nice LED screen. See, I already did my readings. Right here you can touchless mode, adult mode, child mode. And then when you switch it to air mode, it's going to show the air. And it's easy peasy. I have it on silent mode, but you could turn it off to if you like the beep. Give me 1 sec. Next, all you gotta do is hold this for a few seconds. Then it'll come up to the preset mode of the up to 40. You could have it up to 40 temperature settings. See right there. And now you can switch that, and that. See, it beeps. Now we're in air mode. There we go. See, look at that. Quick. 1 sec. 95 degrees. Pretty good. Now you can cover it up and then begin to adult mode and forehead. 97.8 degrees. See? And then it's then number 3. So I am not sick. Everything's good to go. So now you can tell if your kids are faking it. I remember those days. But now, palm of your hand. Get them now. Great deal going on. Check them out. Have a good night.